Look at this big tree that came down. And it's amazing, the fence that is right over here to the right hand side of me was spared. There's a little bit of the tree wrapped around it, but it didn't bend anything, didn't mess the fence up at all. So pretty amazing that this big tree could come down like this on the road to nowhere and spare the fence. Very interesting. Earlier this morning I warned people about dangling branches, and right here is an example of that. So this branch right here, don't know if you can really see it. Actually I can see it on the camera right now, and hopefully you can see it too, but it's snapped, it's dangling. That could be dangerous if somebody went underneath of it. And also said that a tree may still be up, but it could fall sometime, just not as sturdy as it needs to be anymore, like this tree here. So still a lot of need for caution. The community of St. Helena was hit pretty hard by the storm. Last night when I came through about 3 o'clock, there was all kinds of debris in the road. They've gotten that up. This tree came down. So it was a powerful storm. Baltimore County and BGE have been out working hard to put everything back together. There was a down power line that I'm aware of in the St. Helena community, and there's a tree down here at the corner of Dundalk Avenue and Liberty Parkway. So they're cleaning this up right now. Got a couple trucks here, a couple guys. Got their chainsaws already running, and they're throwing some of the debris that is already broken up into the grinder there. After the third storm, when this tree came down, it came down on the wire, and one of the neighbors was kind enough to share a video with us, and the electric wire caught on fire. How fortunate it is that everything missed the next door neighbor's beautiful cars. What an incredible amount of debris these trees created. Further up the alley behind these homes on McShameway, there was a heck of a lot more damage. Another close call with this big tree, but the damage was narrowly avoided again. Thank goodness the tree wasn't any closer to the house and that it didn't fall over onto the garage, or it would have caused major damage.
And we see that this tree did minimal damage to the car. Two Dundalk TV viewers contacted Dundalk TV about damage that occurred in their neighborhoods from the storms. The first is a picture from Edgemere of a deck that collapsed after a tree had fallen on the deck. And the second picture is from Baltimore City, and this big tree hit the viewer's deck and demolished it. These storms caused damage in a very widespread area. And the last picture is a picture that I took of Sasquatch in the St. Helena community. I'd like to thank everybody for watching our Dundalk TV videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to Dundalk TV and click that notification bell.